Is your live streaming messy with cables and cameras? Is your phone too hot while streaming? Video quality loss? Want to avoid the expense of video editing equipment? Welcome to the future of live streaming with the revolutionary wireless smart camera, Raybit Studio Camera SC1. Here it is. Raybit Studio Camera SC1 creates stunning 2.5K resolution live streaming. It has a 90-degree wide viewing angle with zero distortion. Live streaming workouts, for example. Put one for the must-have panorama. One in the equipment area, and one to show your moves off in the training area. The SC1 restores every detail of your movement with clarity comparable to the iPhone or even better. Woo! Or, if you live stream while cooking, you can put one in the prep area and one in the cooking area. You can switch between different views via the app. You can stream to multiple platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, or even custom RTMP destinations. Of course, for the best connection, you can use your Raybit SC1 with an optional Power over Ethernet adapter for the most consistent streaming. It can handle up to 5 channels of video. That means 5 cameras working together. It can handle most of the needs of your live streaming scenarios in one innovative device. In addition, you can use Raybit SC1 as a universal wireless camera. Perform screen processing via OBS and then go live. Wireless NDI with low latency and high definition. More cameras on the same network means remote meetings are stress-free too. This camera has a built-in microphone array and an audio processing algorithm. This means you can achieve great voice pickup quality against noise and reverberation, saving you the cost of a clip-on mic in some cases. You can also access the wireless clip-on external pro microphone to achieve longer distance sound recording. For scenes like this. Raybit SC1 provides auto framing with advanced AI technology. It keeps me in the center of the scene, even when I'm moving. A smart photographer. Awesome! You can also record content to a memory card at any time. Later, you can edit, upload, and share. And Raybit SC1 provides up to 6 hours of battery endurance. You also have the option to power it directly via the Type-C USB cable. With Raybit SC1, live streaming becomes effortless and enjoyable. If you have any questions, you can leave us a message in the comments for more information.